Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change your YouTube banner. And let's get started. First, on YouTube desktop website, click your profile icon found in the top right corner of the page. On the panel, click the YouTube Studio. On the left navigation menu, hit Customization. On Customize Channel option, select Branding. Under Banner Image, click Upload. Select your image from the pop-up and hit Open. Adjust the image as necessary using the guides. And when ready, click Done. Lastly, select Publish. And that's it. The great way to attract your audience attention is by adding YouTube banner, because this will visually communicate the channel's personality and brand to the target audience, since this will be the first things that catch your audience eye when they go to your channel. And that's it. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit the comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, just click the join button below and become a beloved member for just $1 a month. See ya!